Today we will explore and compare AI-generated videos I created over the past few months. The ones without watermark are generated offline locally, videos created with Kling AI, HalioAI, LTX Video, Kvidiox, and many others, each tool offering its own unique approach to visual storytelling. Some focus on hyper-realism, capturing breathtaking detail and depth. Others embrace stylization, transforming imagination into surreal dreamscapes. And some push the limits of cinematic motion, generating dynamic, fluid scenes that feel like they were filmed with a real camera. Over the past few months, AI video generation has evolved at an astonishing pace. The results are no longer just abstract or experimental. They are becoming increasingly lifelike, emotionally evocative, and visually stunning. Whether it's a neon-lit cyberpunk city, a golden hour cinematic portrait, or a vast alien landscape, each AI model interprets a scene in its own way, bringing diverse creative possibilities to life. Today we will see a collection of AI videos generated over the past few months and compare them. As we dive into this collection, let's take a closer look at different AI styles in action. Hyper-realistic scenes from Kling AI and Kvidiox showcase incredible details, from subtle lighting shifts to the natural movement of hair and fabric. LT Video excels in creating cinematic sequences with smooth, dynamic camera movements that feel immersive and real. HalioAI, on the other hand, leans into artistic stylization, generating painterly textures and abstract compositions that resemble a moving work of art. Each frame tells a story, a glimpse into a world imagined, yet almost tangible. Beyond just generating visuals, AI is beginning to understand narrative structure. These aren't just random clips, they evoke emotions, set moods, and create atmospheres that feel intentional. A lone figure walking through a futuristic metropolis, a slow motion sunrise over a mountain range, a mysterious glance exchanged between two AI-generated characters. These moments feel like they belong in a film, a music video, or even a documentary. AI is no longer just about generating images, it's learning to tell stories. But creating high-quality AI videos isn't as simple as pressing a button. The process involves crafting precise prompts, understanding how different AI models interpret motion and texture, and refining the output through iterations. The right combination of words, scene composition, and lighting effects can make the difference between an ordinary AI-generated clip and a visually striking cinematic experience. Just like a filmmaker fine-tunes their shots, AI creators must refine their prompts, adjust their settings, and experiment with different techniques to achieve the best results. Let's take a behind-the-scenes look at how AI prompting works. Starting with a simple idea, perhaps a futuristic city at night, we add details, neon reflections on wet pavement, pedestrians walking through the streets, a distant monorail passing overhead. Then we refine the motion. Should the camera pan slowly? Should we add atmospheric elements like fog or digital rain? The more we guide the AI, the more precise and cinematic the results become. As AI continues to advance, the gap between human creativity and machine-generated art is narrowing. The results we see today are just the beginning. In the near future, AI-generated films, music videos, and animated stories could become an integral part of the entertainment industry. The boundaries between imagination and reality will blur even further, allowing creators to bring their visions to life faster than ever before. So as we watch these AI-generated visuals unfold, let's take a moment to appreciate this new era of digital art. The future of storytelling is here. AI is not just a tool, it's a creative partner, unlocking endless possibilities. What we see today is a glimpse of what's to come, and the journey is only getting started.